The football fans them there tomorrow. They will play final Wembley Arena. Wycombe and Sunderland. And these are just some of them, you know. Blouse and skirt. These are just some of them. These are just some of the Sunderland fans them. Football turn up tomorrow. Trafalgar Square. Yeah. Right, the other side. Go there. People. Yeah, so that's at Trafalgar Square. Final tomorrow, Wembley. You have Sunderland and Wycombe play tomorrow. So these are the Sunderland fans them. Some of them say they might expect over 50,000 tomorrow. So today them just they are Trafalgar Square draw and drink, you know. Can you imagine all of the pub them tonight? Bar them black, beer trouble.